Say my name tonight, feel it running through your soul. Voices.
Welcome to another show, Living with Esther. I am Esther, and I'm glad you guys could join the today's show. Okay, guys, and I hope you all enjoying this beautiful weather. Get on your back porch or the front porch, wherever there's a shade. Just sit down, relax with your iced tea, and watch my show. And don't forget to watch previous shows, my home decor shows, my spirit inspirational shows, my cooking shows. So go back, guys, and get acquainted with me of what I do. So today, guys, we went over to Rich Gardens in to get some plants, not plants, but a plant, a particular plant. And my husband was looking for a ever red Japanese maple tree so he could plant in the front yard. So we went to this garden. Guys, they have some beautiful plants over there. Beautiful plants out there. And guys, there was so much selection. There was so much selection, different things. And you know, guys, I could plant anything out in the front, but he wanted this particular tree for the front yard. It make your home looks very upscaled, and I know I see a few people with it, and a few people with it in their home, outside their home. It make the home look so beautiful. But guys, I did not realize how much those plants cost. I consider a plant is a plant. So my husband, he wanted this particular plant. And when he went to the gardens, he wanted apple. He looking at cherry tree and apple tree. And I'm like, no, we don't need all of this. We don't need all of this. When you look at the prices on these trees, and the plants were beautiful. You know, I've been passing by that that place for years and years, and I always admired their garden. Always admired. I buy from them a couple of times, but I always admire their garden. But this particular tree that he wanted, the ever red Japanese maple tree, guys, listen, it doesn't make no sense. A plant has to be that price. No sense whatsoever. So we walked around the farm for a little bit with the grandbabies, and guys, oh my goodness, a lot of the plants you just want to pick them home, bring them home, plant them in your front yard. But I'm on a budget. And I had to tell my husband, no, we don't need no apple tree, we don't need no cherry tree, we don't need all of that stuff that you're trying to buy today, because we live in on a budget. But guys, I will say they had some wonderful. Look at this tree. That is so pretty. And I could plant a lot of that at the backyard and on the side of the yard. Oh my goodness. But we had a good time by the in the gardens today. Beautiful. So he finally found the Japanese maple that he wanted. He finally found it after we walked around a few times. He finally found it. But guys, look at those roses. Beautiful, different color roses. I mean, you could plant a lot of these roses in the side of your home, at the back of your home, on your patio, in the front of your home. Beautiful roses. Oh my goodness, look at it. And I love roses. I love roses. But the thing with it, guys, every time I plant them, they die during the winter time. They die. So that's why I had to get me a folk folk roses. Yes, but they have some beautiful plants. So my husband is gonna take care of his Japanese maple himself. He's gonna take care of that himself. But he finally found the one that he's looking for. So guys, I mean, you guys could go there, get some of those beautiful plants and just beautify your home. And as I said, my walkway, I want to do my walkway, and I could see me planting some of these nice flush flowers with along the walkway in my front yard, and then putting some solar lights implant in them. That would look so beautiful at night. Beautiful, beautiful. So guys, that's another project for next year. That's another project for next year. I definitely going to look into that. And also, I hope by that time the prices of those plants will come down. Because to me, what I used to be paying $5 for last year, I'm paying $15 for them this year. And I do understand the the farm and them, they have to spend more money, but I mean, it's just outrageous. But the quality of those plants, I mean, look at how luscious green they look at those flowers. This is in, I mean, I've been to a lot of gardens, and I'm telling you, this is one of the best one I have ever seen. They really put some care into it. So guys, now we load that up into my truck. I don't know how all that load up in my truck, and we had to stop at Home Depot and get some bricks and dirt so we could plant, plant the Japanese maple, because he wanted to do it today. So I say, okay, we'll go ahead and do it today. But that spot where he's digging right now, we had a plant there that would come up every summer, but for some reason this year it did not come up. So that's when the hubby decided, oh, he need to plant a tree there. So he said, you know what, I'm going to plant a tree, and I'm going to get a Japanese maple to put there. And guys, you see me out there helping him a little, right? As I said, a little, because one little things I see in that dirt, Esther is gone. Esther and things that crawls in the ground is not friend. So guys, he did his stuff. I did my stuff. Okay? Yes, but that's a beautiful tree. But look at, guys, look at the price of that little tree. Look at the price of that little tree. Me, I would have walked away. As a matter of fact, I was walking with the kids, one of the kids, the grandkids, and I wasn't too far from the cashier. And I heard the cashier said to him, your total is, and I turned around and I looked at him, and he looked at me. That said it all. I would have left that plant, but as I said, it make your home look elegant, it make your home look rich, it make your home look beautiful. So, he wanted his Japanese maple, because he always wanted a Japanese maple tree. So, he went and he get it. So I just have to compromise, So now he dug a hole, and he also put some topsoil in the hole with the plant. So guys, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. As I said, it's a lot of work, and I said this DIY is just another DIY upgrade we did. And I know I said we were finished, we were over with the front, but because he wanted his Japanese maple, and the plant that we had there for so many years, it did not come back. And every year it would come back, but for some reason they died, did not come back this year. So now, that's why he decided to put something in the space, and he said he wanted his maple, his Japanese maple tree. So I just left him let he get it regardless of that price, which it hurts, but yes. What he did, he poured some of the mulch, not the mulch, the potting soil in, and then he put the plant in. So now what he has to do and what he's going to do tomorrow, and I should have waited to do the video then. And also the bricks, he got the bricks from Home Depot. So when we was on our way back, he stopped and get a couple of bricks from Home Depot to put around the plant. So when he left the store, he said, "Oh, I forgot the mulch." And I said, you know what, just you could get the mulch tomorrow. But my daughter was telling me about there is a different kind of mulch that you can use. It's like a plastic mulch, and I'm going to look into that tomorrow to see what it's like. But she said her neighbor put some. Okay guys, this is the end of today's video. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Living with Esther. Yes, don't forget to, and also guys, hit the thumb button. Press that thumb button, that like button. And don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel. And when I put the mulch in, guys, I will do a short on it. I will do a short on it for you guys to see we completed that project. Okay, so as I said, that's another upgrade we did to the front yard of our home. Love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening.
Something's calling me inside. Say my name tonight. Let the rhythm take control. Say my name tonight. In the midst of storms, I know you're here. You are my refuge and fortress. There is nothing to fear. If God is for us, who can be against us? Your word is true. In you I trust, O Lord. Strengthen my